This is our neighborhood, and we're here to protect it. We're here to protect our neighborhood. You guys are the ones here destroying neighborhoods.
Hey, stop pushing me!
They're all the same. MPD, KKK, ICE, they're all the same.
Have a spine, bro. Have a spine. You gotta not do it.
You gotta do it.
That's okay.
No, we're good. You're blocking traffic. Hey, you're blocking traffic.
You're literally blocking
You're blocking traffic.
Don't fuck up your You're trashing the goddamn neighborhood.
Miss, bring it to the other side.
Other side?
Yeah.
Pissed off that one. Be careful, little fella. Be careful, little fella. Those pallets get heavy.
You're Chevy. Please knock it off.
Get down here, Nazi.
You're mad that they're supporting ICE. You're mad that you know what you're doing is wrong. That's why you're mad, bro.
You feel bad that you're fucking supporting ICE? You feel bad that you're supporting your fucking neighbors getting kidnapped?
All the same. KKK, ICE, they're all the same. MPD, 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 KKK, ICE, they're all the same. ICE, they're all the same. MPD, KKK, ICE, they're all the same. MPD, KKK, ICE, they're all the same. MPD, KKK, they're all the same.
Or what?
MPD, KKK,
You don't put any fear in my heart. You don't put any fear in my heart.
KKK, ICE, they're all the same. MPD, KKK, ICE, they're all the same. MPD, KKK, ICE, they're all the same. MPD, KKK, ICE, they're all the same.
Fuck you. You guys are blocking traffic.
You guys are
I'm a grown up. Fuck you.
Get in the truck and go.
You can't tell me how to talk. You can't tell me shit.
I for sure can. You're blocking the street.
But you can't tell me how to talk. We'll see. I wouldn't be here if you weren't here. I wouldn't be here if you weren't here. I was going to breakfast. What, motherfucker? Don't talk to me, Schwartz.
I understand.
You know who the fuck I am?
Blocking traffic. You're blocking, so you guys need to get out of the street.
If you weren't here, I wouldn't be
Get on the
here.
sidewalk.
If you weren't here, I wouldn't be here.
You guys need to get on the sidewalk.
Everybody.
Blocking traffic.
Sir? Ma'am, you're very close to obstruction, just so you know.
Sir, you need to be on the sidewalk.
Why are you helping Nazis?
I cannot think of anywhere I would rather not be than right here.
Great, then go there. No one is stopping you.
All right. What else do we need to do? I don't think arrest them to go.
Yeah.
Arrest everybody? So bricks. All bricks. We're out of room. All right?
You got that? You got that?
Okay.
We're full LT, so we're going to have to go.
Yeah, I don't know what else we're going to do. I don't want this staying here. I don't know how we're going to do this.
As long as you guys don't...
just fucking put ice on your unit. You're blocking traffic.
You're blocking traffic.
Move your truck. Move your truck. You're blocking traffic.
Neighbors are trying to get by. Get out of the road.
Protecting your community and protecting ICE. Protecting murderers.
What the fuck are you waiting for?
Don't matter if he's smaller or bigger.
Kelvin, I'll be here all day.
MPD, KKK, ICE, they're all the same.